Looking for the best air purifier to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. Blueair Bluepure 311 iMax. The Blueair Bluepure 311 iMax is a beast, delivering some of the best air cleaning we've ever tested, all while looking sleek and barely making a peep. Its large, 360-degree filter was faster and quieter than most competitors, clearing over 80% of smoke pollutants from our lab space in just 10 minutes. Years of testing have also proven it's very easy to use, especially if you like to control your appliances from the convenience of your phone. Lead tester Levoit Core added, "I love how well it cleans everyday dust, pollen, and smoke while staying incredibly energy efficient, which keeps it easy on the wallet for years to come." Number 2. Levoit Core 300p. The Levoit Core 300p is a powerful, yet petite purifier at a great price. Despite its low sticker price, this unsuspecting workhorse performed almost as well as units costing 2-3x more, making it an incredible value. Lisette Velasquez, who manages a busy home with 2 kids and 3 pets, shared, "I was totally impressed with how well this compact unit tackled litter box smells, everyday dust, and cooking smoke without being a hassle to use." With a child lock, sleep mode, and timer, the 300p has all the amenities you need for convenient, everyday use. Plus, it's small enough to fit comfortably in most small spaces without getting in the way. Number 3. Levoit Core Mini P. For tight spaces like bedrooms, offices, or dorm rooms, the Levoit Core Mini P is an ultra-affordable option with a sleep-friendly sound and miniature footprint. Of the dozens of units we've tested over the years, this purifier stands out as one of the quietest and most energy-efficient options, meaning it'll stay light on your wallet for years to come. With its small, 6-inch diameter, it easily fits on a nightstand. And if you're a fan of aromatherapy, it lets you add a soft fragrance to your sleep or workspace. One tester summed it up best: "The auto-dimming lights, quiet sound, and optional soothing smell create the perfect calming bubble for bedrooms and nurseries." Number 4. Winix 5510. If you need relief from heavy indoor pollution from smoke, allergens, or other airborne irritants, the Winix 5510 is a powerhouse. Its top-performing HEPA filter rapidly cleared over 75% of lung-penetrating pollutants in just 10 minutes during our smoke test, while its thick, pelleted carbon filter was especially helpful at tackling stubborn odors, VOCs, and fumes. One owner told us, "Whether I've needed to clear smoke from seasonal wildfires or allergens from pets and pollen, the 5510 has impressed me with its strong, consistent cleaning power." The Winix also has a full suite of features like an auto mode and an app to help you maintain clean air with minimal effort. Number 5. Levoit Core 400 SP. For young families or users with eco-concerns, the Levoit Core 400 SP is a wonderfully powerful, ionizer-free option with a lengthy filter life. Its dense filtration system performed above average in our tests, tackling everything from pets and pollen to fumes and odors without ever producing harmful ozone. Plus, it's very easy to use, boasting features like an auto mode, a sleep mode, and a child lock for hassle-free, energy-efficient cleaning. One tester said, "I feel safest using this purifier in my home since I don't have to worry about ozone emissions or my toddler adjusting the settings. And with a 12-month filter life, it's cheap to maintain and produces less waste." We love that the Levoit 400S includes a handy app, though one tester noted, "I felt like it was more of an advertising outlet than a convenience feature." The 400S is also a bit loud on its highest setting, making its presence known in a quiet room. That said, in sleep mode, it's barely audible, so it can quiet down when you need it to. The Winix 5510 is quieter and lets you turn off its ionizer, unlike the Blueair, but neither has a child lock, which could be a deal breaker for parents. Ultimately, if you want to skip ionizers altogether, the Core 400 SP is a strong, family-friendly option with minimal upkeep.